Is your patio or driveway looking a little worse for the wear? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about a great way to put a new face on it right after this. Black and green stuff growing on your roof or siding? Pick up Wet & Forget's new rapid application hose end. Now Wet & Forget No Scrub Outdoor Cleaner is even easier with a brand new nozzle that attaches to your garden hose and sprays up to 30 feet. Wet & Forget hose end quickly and easily treats surfaces you normally couldn't reach without climbing up the ladder. Each bottle cleans up to a whopping 2,000 square feet. Visit wetandforget.com to find a retailer near you. Concrete is used for outdoor surfaces like patios, walks, and drives because it's durable stuff, but it doesn't always stay looking good. Concrete is going to crack. It's just the nature of the beast. If the slab is structurally sound, breaking it up doesn't make sense, but you can dress it up. For this, you'll need a concrete resurfacer. After a good cleaning, you'll need to fill in any cracks, pits, or spalled areas with a small batch of the resurfacer. Just spread it on with a trowel. Then you can mix up a larger batch and spread it over the whole area with a squeegee about a 1/16 to a 1/4 inch thick. If you want a non-slip surface, you can drag a fine bristle broom over it after a few minutes to create a textured finish. You'll have the look of freshly poured concrete without all of the work. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.